Oh, hey there. Welcome back to the Adventure Bus. Today we are continuing working on it. I don't know, I was going somewhere with that. The main thing we are doing today is finishing this table, which means making this actual table part, being able to fold down into a couch/bed, and being able to secure it and fold it up in a clean way. It also means that we are going to make or get cushions for it because, you know, it's not too uncomfortable just sitting on the wood, but on a long journey, you know, like the 20+ hours it takes to drive to Florida, it's not gonna be comfortable. So our original plan for the cushions were to make them, but we went to a couple craft stores and priced everything out to get the foam, get the materials, and pay someone to upholster them. It was gonna be like $500 to $700 for cushions, for 4 cushions. Not worth it. So then we were like, all right, let's just buy some like outdoor yard cushions. Those are also like 70 bucks a piece. And we couldn't find anything that we liked, so then we're like, okay, let's just get some old couch cushions and put them on, because the couch cushions fit on these chairs surprisingly well, just out of pure luck. I made them so they're perfect for couch cushions. But we can't find any great couches around here. We were literally driving around for like 3 to 4 hours just looking for cushions. Wasted a lot of time. I don't have time for that. So I'm a little angry, a little frustrated about that. But we're gonna get some cushions somehow, some way. Maybe by the end of this video we won't have cushions, in which case I'm gonna ask you guys for help to get me some great cushions. That's all I want. So yeah, let's get to work. The sooner I can finish this table, the sooner I can go look for cushions for even more time. Don't let the fact that the table isn't centered with the window bug you. It bugs me, but don't let it bug you. So we got the single folding leg at the front of the table, which has that special hinge that makes it able to fold up. And then on each side you can see we have a little pin that keeps the table in place. It's strong enough to do anything you want on it, so that's the awesome part. Now we're gonna go ahead, pull the table back out, and make a ledge on the front of the seats for the table to rest on while it's in bed form. So the folding down table works, sits nicely right there. Once we have cushions, it'll look decent. Now comes the absolutely terrible part of treating all of the untreated wood in here, which is all the siding and the seats and the table. So I went ahead, I sanded all the wood. Now we're gonna go around the entire bus and spar urethane it. We are doing this so that doesn't happen. That is mold on the window trim, which I knew was gonna happen if we didn't do it, and there we go, it happened. So I sanded it down, cleaned it off, and then we're gonna spar urethane over it all.
I've got the path in my head and space to run. I followed maps in my head and tore them up instead.
And there we go. The table is all finished. I added this little lip front face thing here, so when it was down in couch form, it looked better. And so if it's in table form and we're driving and there's something on the table, it won't slide off. I think it looks pretty nice. It's a little inconvenient, maybe a little dangerous. We'll sand the edges, but it's not very hard to get around it, and it's still comfortable here. This table is freaking solid. Like, it ain't going nowhere. The design we got going on for this thing is really simple as well. So it takes like, 20 seconds to turn it from table to couch, as I will show you now. Ready, set, go. There we go. I was talking to you guys about our cushion issue earlier in this video. I think we got a temporary solution just for this trip. We're gonna go ahead and use the cushions from our couch in the office. Surprisingly, these things literally fit perfect. Like, it's just, it was kind of meant to be. And it's like a tight fit too, so they don't move anywhere, which is awesome.
Didn't they just bring another one in here? I swear I brought it.
The cushions don't fit perfectly, but like I said, it's temporary, and I think it's pretty good for temporary. It also doesn't, match amazingly, but it's not bad. Ooh, it's comfy. It's very comfy for being a homemade couch in a school bus. So for temporary purposes, it's awesome. The design is there. We just need to get the cushions, the right cushions. But ain't nobody got time for that right now, so not doing that. I also went ahead and added this lip around the countertop, so if there are things on the counter and I'm driving, I'm not gonna get impaled in the back of my head. There we go. See, because my head's like right there. But yeah, this thing is pretty sweet. You like it, Audrey?
It was my idea.
The cushions were your idea.
My idea. No, everything was my idea.
No,
I told
no,
him
she's
ago.
lying. As Audrey noted, it's not amazing when it's in table form because these backrests don't really fit. Yeah, I mean you don't need a backrest.
Like, it's comfortable without it. As
Yeah.
long as like you have a butt seat.
It's not bad with it. I mean, like, this is where we're gonna be editing,
You're
so.
gonna be like a bad
Yeah. Part of the reason why the bus is so loud, this door's got a big old gap in it. So I'm trying to seal that up with some weather stripping. Blah, 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 blah. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. I just want to make it a little bit quieter on the highway. So guys, that is going to be it for today. And that marks the finish of the bus. We're not doing anything else before going on the trip. Everything is weatherproofed. Couch is now both a couch and a table, and it's got cushions, temporary cushions. Everything is good. It just needs a good cleaning because there's a lot of dust in there from sanding and whatnot. Tomorrow we're working on the vehicle that we are bringing down to Florida, which you guys will see there's a little bit of a difference. But yeah guys, hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike. On a completely different note, I dropped my camera yet again, and it's really bad. So we're gonna have to get a new one of those before we go down to Florida as well, which G7X Mark II, gang. I'm really excited to have like a nice small vlogging camera, not one that weighs like 6 pounds and is giant. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate that, and I will see all of you guys next time, so peace out. See you later.